She's putting that on.
It's not on a trolley.
Yeah, it's in a bag.
They're having a little bit of flirt, aren't they?
Probably getting rampant.
Where are they? Oh, I've lost them now.
I thought I seen one. Oh, unless Emma's took it.
Anyway, give us a wave, ladies. Actually, I might as well. Oh, hang on. Let's zoom back out. There you are, my sweeties. This is for the Pier House Diary.
Aww.
I can't see them now.
Oh, they've gone underneath. They're having looky under the water. Must be hard doing it under the water with all the waves. Mustn't it? Not be for 6. No, I'm over here. I'm on my back. You're missing.
There they are. There they are. Well, I can see them, but I can.
That big one there, that's the bull, isn't it? The one on the right's the bull. Look at the size of his head. Oh, they're in love.
How's it going in here?
Well, yeah. Come and have a look. Let's see. What are we doing? Not a lot. Oh dear.
They're having looking.
Right, get that over.